session we'll be building this website, and we'll be creating this dashboard entirely just using Excel sheet alone, and we'll be deploying it in this website. This website is a pre-built template which we are going to use, and we are not going to create this website from scratch. So we'll just be incorporating this dashboard alone in this website. So to begin with, uh, go to this website, and the link is provided in the description. So what you have to be doing is scroll down. There is a link, oat margin analysis Google Sheet link. Open the link, and what this is a read-only file. What you should be doing is click on this, make a copy of oat margin analysis. You can name it whatever you want. I'll just name it oat margin analysis tutorial. For the today's session, we have this data. This is election data. So how do we build a dashboard? So the first step in building a dashboard is we have to create a pivot table. So to create, press Ctrl Alt and go to Insert, click on Pivot Table. So there will be a pop-up. What you have to be doing is create. Okay, cool. So I'm just renaming this one as a dashboard for convenience. It is not necessary that you should be also doing this. And, so in our final project we have these 4 graphs. We will not be building all the 4 graphs, because if we just know how to build one graph, it is very easy to build rest of the graphs. So our focus will be on creating a graph and deploying it in the website. So we'll create the first graph, that is vote margin versus constituency name. So first I will add a row. My row data will be the second one, and you can uncheck this show total, and the value will be our vote margin. And I'm particularly interested in the data of Tamil Nadu state alone. So I have to create a filter where I can filter out Tamil Nadu data alone. Click state, show all item. You can clear them, search for Tamil Nadu, and click OK. So if you do that, you will get all the names of the constituency in Tamil Nadu. There are around 57. So we are done with the collection of datas, and we will see how to make the visualization. So for creating visualization, I will pull this entire thing down. So for that, what you should be doing is just select 30 rows and right click, insert 30 rows above. So you will get this white space where you can do your visualizations. Click here, click on any of this cell for in this data set, click insert charts. So that's how easy it is. So you just click on the dataset and insert a chart, you will get a chart. So this is the visualization, and you can change a property here. Property of this graph, you just double click on this, you will get the entire property of graph. I would like to see this as a bar graph, and I can also customize it. I'll be removing the border, and I'll be converting it into 3D. Okay, so now that we built a visualization, we'll see how to deploy this in the website. So before that, I'll just name this one. Vote margin analysis dashboard. So what I'll be doing is I'll be just merging these cells. Merge a cell, increase the font size of this to 36, center it. Maybe I'll just decrease it to around 30. Okay, now we can change the background to greenish and text color to white. Okay, cool. And I'll also be centering it. Okay, cool. So now we'll see how to publish this. So to publish this live, go to files, click on share, and we have to click publish to web. If you click publish to web, you will find a pop-up something like this. In this, what you should be doing is select the entire document. You need not to publish the entire document. If you publish the entire document, even the data election data set will be also published. Rather, if you just want to publish the data in your dashboard alone, click on the dashboard and click publish. There's a pop-up, click OK. So the moment you do that, you will get this deployment link. Copy that, paste it in your tab, and you'll be able to see your visualization in this. So now that we know how to do it from the Excel sheet, we will create a project out of it. So for that, what we should be doing is go to the GitHub link, which is already in the description, and if you see in this, there is a button, use this template. Click on use this template and click on create new repository. Click create new repository, you will end up with this page. You can name the repository whatever you want. I will name it as Vikash DAML project. Okay. Make sure this is in public and click create repository. It will take around 10 seconds. It is still loading, shouldn't be taking this much time. Alright, cool. Okay, so now that we have this, what we'll be going to do is we'll be deploying this one into our project and we'll make something look like this one. Okay, so that is very straightforward approach. Go to this GitHub, and if you can see in this, what you should be doing is make sure you are signed in into the GitHub. Without signing in, this functionality will not work. So you see the .com, click on the .com and change the .com to dev, dev. You can do it in two ways. Dev, you can convert this .com to dev, or you can just press the full stop key in your keyboard. That will work too. So immediately you will get something like this. Yours may not be as blue as this one, but what you should be doing on this is go to index.html page. In the index.html page, first thing you should be doing is you should be entering your name. Okay, so enter your name. In my case, I'm typing it Vikash. And second thing is we should be deploying this one. We should be putting this one inside our website. Okay, for that you have to do one thing. Go to files, click share, publish to web. Last time we took the link from this one. Instead, now you should be clicking on embedded and click on this one, click dashboard, and you will find this iframe link. Okay, copy this iframe link, head over to this text editor, go to line number 108, and you can paste it here, and that's all you have to do. Now come here, and below this explorer you will find this source control. Click source control and type the commit message. Commit message can be project dashboard added. added. Okay, cool. Now click commit and push. So now what it will be doing is this will be saving your changes in the GitHub repository, which will be deployed. Okay, so now we are done with this. We don't have any other works to do in this one. So now we can change this dev to com. Yeah, click. Okay, so now all our data, you can see it is stored in this dashboard added now. So what we should be doing is we should be deploying this live. For that, click settings, and in the settings page you will find this option called pages. Click pages, and in the branches, click main branch and hit save. So it will take around anywhere around 1 minute to 3 minutes to deploy this website. Keep refreshing, and it took me around 2 minutes to deploy this website. And once it deployed, you will get a window like this, and you can hit visit site. So boom, there we got. So here we have our website. So so this is completely live. Whatever changes you make in your Excel sheet dashboard, it will be reflected in this one in around 5 minutes. So you can see this says published by Google Sheet, updates automatically every 5 minutes. So in our final project there were around 4 graphs. You can experiment with it and build 4 graphs in your dashboard, and you need to do anything. All the graphs you build in this dashboard, it will be automatically published in your website. Yeah, that's all. Thank you all.